How much should a water softener cost in 2026? The price ranges from anywhere from $1,200 up to $5,000 depending on who you're buying it from. Now people call me and they're like, I just had Culligan out to my house or Rainsoft out to my house and they wanted $10,000 for an acid neutralizer and a water softening system. Why are they quoting me that much? Well, they have lots of overhead they have to overcome, and the salesman gets paid, the owner gets paid, the secretary gets paid. A lot of what you're paying for is everybody else that makes this happen and not really the equipment. Where we are a wholesale based distributor and a system like this is $21.95 shipped to you, and that includes everything. All you have to supply are the fittings and some piping to install it. People ask, is the system I'm going to pay $400 to $600 for at Lowe's or Home Depot good? I mean, it'll get the job done depending on what your hardness level is, and it's fairly simple to install, but it uses a basic valve, and those valves are made by a company called Echo Water, and they've had issues with over a period of time. We used to be an installer for those at one point in time, like 20 years ago. We would install those when people bought them from Lowe's or Home Depot, and they, maybe last for 5 to 10 years, and then you start having issues with it. A typical cost of a system from us, a water softening system, depending whether it's 32,000 grains or 80,000 grains, you're going to pay anywhere from $1,400 to say $2,600, and that includes shipping. Well, people ask, why can't I just get a 32,000 grain system instead of the 64,000 grain? It costs a lot less. Well, it's a different size unit that serves a different purpose. If you have 2 people living in the house and your water is like 8 grains hard, a 32,000 grain system will be efficient and get the job done. Whereas if you have 4 to 6 people or 8 people in the house and your water is 20 grains hard and you're using a ton of water every day, you need a 64,000 grain system to be efficient and not use salt like crazy. People ask, what's the ongoing cost of a water softening system? Salt, I get pellet salt from Walmart. It's like $8 for a 40-pound bag. I use 1 bag a month. And the electricity is irrelevant. It's just enough to power the screen and turn the little motor inside when it goes through its regeneration cycle once every 7 to 14 days. So it's minimal. So over a 10-year period, your greatest cost for maintaining a water softener is going to be the salt consumption. You're going to use 1 bag a month to 2 bags a month, depending on your water usage, at a cost of $8 per bag at Walmart, Lowe's, or Home Depot. People ask me, can I install this myself or do I need to hire a plumber? And if you're, slightly mechanical, it's not that hard to install and save yourself some money, because a plumber is going to charge you anywhere from $800 to say $1,500 to install the softener on average. 32 years of being in the business, and people ask me, what should I get, a salt-free conditioner or a salt-based conditioner? 100% of the time, as long as the installation is possible, I recommend a salt-based water softener system.